Hello Year 4 and welcome to our 7th maths meeting. That's right, this is maths meeting video number 7. Now, there's a few new activities in today's maths meeting, but I know you've got this. As always, before we start, you'll need something to write with and something to write on. Now, as the video plays, this pause button will pop up every now and again to tell you to pause the video, tackle the question on the screen, and then we'll go through the answers afterwards. Okay, you ready? Let's begin. Going to start with our months of the year rhyme. Ready? I'll sing it. I want you to sing the answers nice and loud. Join in. 30 days have April, June, and all the rest have 31 except alone, which has but days clear and in each leap year. Did you get it? I hope you did, and I hope you joined in nice and loud. Okay, let's get our answers. 30 days have September, April, June and November. All the rest have 31 except February alone, which has but 28 days clear and 29 in each leap year. Well done if you got that. Okay, let's move on now. Okay, we've got our Roman numerals. I want you to have a look here. XCII. Use the box here to turn XCII into a 2-digit number. Okay. Off you go. Right, let's see what we did, shall we? I'm going to start with this XC, our 10 number. Now, XC is 100. Subtract this 10. Remember, this 10 is on the left side, so we have to take it away. 10, take away 100. Sorry, 100, take away 10, which means we have got 90. 9 in our tens column. Okay, let's have a look at our ones now. That's nice and easy. II, which means we've got 1 plus 1. Our answer is 92. XCII is 92. Well done if you got that one. Okay, let's move on now. Telling the time, always important. Okay, look at the clock hands there. Work out if it's to or past. Now you can have your answer as analog, digital. If you want to challenge yourself, you could do both, couldn't you? Okay, pause the video now and tell the time. Okay, let's see what we got, shall we? Let's start with our analog time. Now, we know that we are going to have a look at this minute hand here. It's on the left hand of our clock face, which means we're going to the next hour. But what hour? That's right, we're going to 3. We're not at the 3 just yet, so we're just going towards the 3. We're going 2, 3. How many minutes until we get to 3? Well, we can see our minute hand is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes to 3. 10 minutes to 3 o'clock. Okay, let's try a digital time now. Remember, we can't do 2 times with digital time. We have to go past. So what hour have we gone past? That's right, we've gone past the 2, haven't we? We've gone past 2 o'clock. Well, how many minutes passed? Well, our blue hand would have had to travel all the way from the 12 round here to the 10. So we have travelled 50 minutes past 2. 2:50. Well done if you got the analog. Well done if you got the digital. An extra big well done if you got both of them. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, a new one now, factor bugs. Now, we have done this in class. Let's see if you can remember. I want you to write the factors of each of these numbers. 35, 24, 20. The legs should give you a clue. And don't forget the antenna. Okay, pause your video and have a go now. Okay, let's see, shall we? Let's start with our 35. Now, the antenna tells us that it's got to be 1 and 35. All factors have 1 and themselves, all numbers have 1 and themselves as factors. What other times tables is 35 in? 35 is also in the 5 times table and the 7 times table. 5 times 7 is 35. Let's look at 24 now. Remember, 1 and 24. Every number has 1 in itself as a factor. What other times tables? 2 and 12. 2 times 12 is 24. 3 and 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 4 and 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Well done if you got all of those. Let's look at 20 now. 1 and 20. We know by now every number has 1 in itself as factors. It's also 2 times 10. So it's in the 2 times table, it's in the 10 times table. And 4 and 5. 4 times 5 is 20. Well done if you got all of those factors. There's lots and lots. Try and make sure that you work systematically to get the answer. Okay, let's go on to the next one now. Okay, we've got 3 calculations here and I want you to fill in the missing numbers. Okay, pause the video and have a go now. Right, let's see, shall we? We'll start with 8 multiplied by 9. 8 multiplied by 9 is 72. 5 multiplied by something equals 60. 5 multiplied by 12 equals 60. And something multiplied by 7 equals 42. 6 multiplied by 7 equals 42. Well done if you got all 3 of those numbers. Let's see what's next, shall we? Okay, Addison wants us to add up these 2 numbers, 674 plus 526. Use an efficient method to tackle this question now. Okay, what method did you use? I think that column addition is perfectly fine for this calculation. Let's start in our ones column, shall we? 4 plus 6 equals 10, which means we have 0 ones, but we have 1 extra 10, 1 new 10, which we put in the tens column. Let's continue. Our tens column now, we've got 7 tens plus 2 tens plus 1 10. 70 plus 20 plus 10, I make that 100, which is 0 tens and 100 in the hundreds column. Let's move on. Got to add our hundreds column now, 600 and 500 and this 100. Well, 600 plus 500 is 1,100 plus another 100, 1,200. 674 plus 526 is 1,200. Well done if you got that. Okay, that's all for now. Bye-bye.